Welcome to HelloBooks. Today we're diving into your financial health by showing you how to view, analyze, and print your balance sheet like a pro. Let's get started. First, head over to the sidebar and click on Reports. This is your hub for all things data and analysis. Next, select Financial Statements. This will open up your library of core financial documents. Now, let's get to the star of the show. Click the Balance Sheet tab. This gives you a crystal clear view of everything you own and everything you owe. Need to see your status on a specific day? Simply adjust the Date End field to refresh your view for that period. Need your data outside of HelloBooks? Click the drop-down arrow to instantly export your balance sheet to Excel for further analysis, or as a PDF for your official records. Taking this to a meeting? Click the Print button to instantly generate a high-quality version of your report. Finally, hit Update Report to ensure every last transaction is accounted for, and your data is perfectly current. And just like that, you're a balance sheet expert, ready to take full control of your business finances? Visit us at hellobooks.ai and see how we make accounting effortless. Thanks for watching.